Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I have made a video and I apologize for that. Had a few technical difficulties and then life just got in the way. Sorry. I am back coincidentally at the same time as YouTube starting their new small subscriber requirements. Totally coincidental because I had some ideas in the works and then they popped that on us. But what that did is make me look at my stats on YouTube and the things that you guys have been watching. And one of the things I noticed is that you guys liked that one single Disney haul video I did. So I thought I would do a few more Disney videos. I have a few more coming up because I do have a trip coming up shortly to Disney World in Florida. And I thought I would start with a what's in your Disney bag video. This is the bag I carry to the parks. It is a Loungefly bag with stitch all over, and I got it as a gift. It is from Hot Topic. I've not seen it anywhere else, but you can look. So let's dig into it. First of all, in this front pocket, I have a bunch of small necessities. I have headphones in case I want to listen to music in line. I have gum. I have tissue. I have lip balm. This is the EOS brand, but I've been known to carry a few different brands. I have medication. I have my inhaler, and then this is Flonase. I have an extra battery for my GoPro. I have, this is Advil, because you never know when you're going to get a headache. And then I also have in here, this is a little Ziploc bag. I keep tons of Ziploc bags in my bag. And this one just has, it's got emergency, it's got some Starbucks via refresher packets, and then some Crystal Light packets as well. I keep these on hand because I carry my own water bottle, and you'll see that shortly, because you can get free water from almost any quick serve station in any of the parks, and it's free. So why am I going to pay for a bottle of water when I can get it for free? Plus, it's just convenient. In this bigger pouch, right now I have the water bottle I mentioned. It is a Stitch water bottle. My mother-in-law got this off of Etsy. I attach it to a carabiner, and then that just gets attached to the loop at the back of the backpack. It hangs off my bag so that way I can just easily access it. Wrong word. Because this backpack doesn't have any pockets on the side that a lot of backpacks these days have. So I just hang it off. Really super convenient. In here I also have a hat. It's my mini bow hat. In case I decide I don't want to wear my ears anymore, or it's too hot and I need some shade. So on and so forth. Or if it's raining, you definitely need a hat. I keep my wallet because wallets are self-explanatory. You always need to have money and ID on you. I keep a battery charger. This is an external battery charger. I can hook 2 USB cords to it and charge my cell phone, my husband's cell phone, my friend's cell phone if they want to charge it. What else do I have in here? I have more Kleenex. I have 2 lanyards in here. This first one is a Lilo & Stitch lanyard from the Pin Starter Collection. And this one keeps my magic band on it. I keep one of the newer lanyard style, not lanyard, but clippy styles on there because it's easier than the bracelets. More comfortable too. Speaking of which, I do also have an extra magic band just in case I lose that one. God forbid that happens. I keep a lacrosse ball in there. I keep the lacrosse ball in there because when you're walking all day, sometimes your back hurts, sometimes your feet hurts. If my back's hurting, I can grab a random wall and set that between me and the wall, and it will basically create a massage effect for me, and then give me a little bit of relief, and then, you know, use the Advil. Here's the other lanyard I keep. This one is my pin lanyard. It's got some random pins on it. It is again a Lilo & Stitch lanyard. I keep it in the bag because sometimes when you're walking around, you the backs on the pins never stay put, so I like to keep it on there just in case. So I have my pins with me when I want to trade, but I don't accidentally lose them in the park. I also have in here a notebook and a couple pens. I'm particular about the pens I like, so I keep that in there in case I want to write something down. The random chance that I want to get something autographed, I have it with me. I also keep a Ziploc bag full of snacks. These are pre-portioned packets of trail mix from Trader Joe's. I like a nut and berry mix. My husband likes the mix that also has chocolate in it. And we just keep that in the bag. Nice protein, quick snack. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I have, this is a cooling towel. I got this during a Run Disney event. Basically, you can wet it down, wring it out, and then hang it from your neck. And it helps keep you cool as long as the towel itself is cool. I also have another baggie. This baggie has just little medications and stuff. I have Aleve in here, I have Advil, I have Dayquil, I have Pepto-Bismol, and I also have some BioFreeze packets. Most people don't need BioFreeze, but as a runner I like to keep it in stock because you never know when aches and pains are going to show up and you might need it. And the last thing I have in my bag is a light jacket. This is a black one. It has a hood and a couple of pockets that zip up. It even has thumb holes for pulling down your sleeves and just keeping your hands a little bit warmer. In the evenings, these are great to have because it gets a little chilly sometimes, especially in Florida. When I've gone, the evenings have just gotten really chilly and I really want a sweater. Even being from Seattle and the temperature difference, you just never know. So it's nice to carry it, that way you don't have to go buy another one unless you really want to. Then just go buy it. That's what I keep in my bag. What do you keep in yours? Do you keep anything else that I don't, that you think I should know about? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Are there things you have questions about what I do take? Comment down below about those as well. Until then, I'm headed off to the parks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, watch some more videos, and let me know what you think. Bye!